Alright, one thing I want to show you here is this is an old block or an ingot of lead. And it says on their Eagle wiping cylinder. The Eagle Pitchner Lead Company. And I think this is what they used to melt on to make your wipe lead joint, something like this. And, you know, I have a lead water line here. You see how they take that and wipe it. And on this one you can actually see the white joints on there. When they took something and wiped the lead around there. But the main thing I wanted to show you was this. And I've never seen one of these, and I had it in my lead, where I keep all my lead and stuff. And I had it where I keep all my lead products. So it's pretty interesting. A lead ingot from a long time ago. Can't believe that it was still out there, still found it.